landed here, taking some good breakfast before we continue with the journey. And the journey is JIPOS. That is what brings us here. It is so hot right here in the U Resort. It is so very, very hot. You can see these are beachfront hotel, and right now they say Nama de Kuat, but I don't know how to translate that. This year has gone crazy.
We've just done a briefing and everybody has dispersed. We're going to the next steps, now actual training. Yes. Are you done for the day?
Just winding up my friend.
This is how this place looks like at night. Yeah, so beautiful. So quiet. And you feel the breeze, because it's just by the ocean.
Yes, my friend, how are you?
Yes, what's up?
Yeah, it's been a long day. You see, still carrying these particular boxes.
Yeah.
It has been long. Kazi bado iko. But so far, so good. So just winding up this day. We are packing up this so that we go have some rest. Tomorrow morning, it will just be about data verification and maybe Q&A session before we Chomoke, hit the road. Yes. Or decide to have some breeze. Yes. Yeah. We have options. We can just still say, have some breeze, get into the beach, and then the day after tomorrow we head back to Nairobi.
Tell the rest of the story.
Yes. So this is Yang Hung. I'm told it is Yang Hung Resort, U Resort. Yang Hung means, is it strong or something?
Strong Taekwondo.
Yes, strong.
There's a Taekwondo center somewhere just.
Yeah, there's a Taekwondo center. Yeah, so that name has been inspired by the owner. He's a Taekwondo person. Yes. His mentor was in China, I think so, but he passed on. That is the trainer of the owner of this place. So come and see Yang Hong. If I'm pronouncing it right, come and see Yang Hong Resort. That is in Msambweni.
The U.
The U Resort, yes.
All right. The U Resort looks very nice even at night. You can just see that. Yeah. The ambience is so giving. Let me show you my room. Yeah, so this is the room called Air Resort. Oh no, Air One. But Air One U Resort. So the rooms are looking so good and they're looking very spacious. You can just see you have got a bathroom there, and I like the design of the mirror there, yeah, which is oval, which looks pretty nice. And yes, your towels there, and I like the concept of the wooden sort of wardrobe. You have got cash there, so if you're working with cash, yeah, you can have somewhere to put it. Yeah, here we go. So Diani, is very hot. But then when you're here, you can take advantage of that. That is called an AC conditioner. And you will just have your bed there. This, I don't know, this is a double bed. I don't know how this one is called. You can just be resting here if you don't want to sleep on your queen size bed. And you have a flat screen here. So here is where I'll be spending the night. And a reading table, which is pretty fine. And a fridge somewhere there, and some light. They're called bedside lamps. That one. Yeah. There is also another one on the other side, just in case you don't want total darkness. You can just be lighting them beside the bed. You just put them under the bed to give you, or to illuminate for you some light. Yeah, so that as you sleep. Here you have got a private balcony. A private balcony. Let me just find the light. Yeah, that one. Oop, 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 oop. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, no, good, good. So if you open this leads you to here. Another study room, or you can just rest, or you can just have some breakfast, or whatever it is that you can have here. That is you to decide, but it's just a table and chair. And then, oh my god, I got this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your vacation is late when you know you have this on your balcony. So you can just swing, and then just relax here. Yeah, ile usingizi ya saa 9 utatambua kesho. And then this is just another neighborhood. Now silent. It's almost 9 in the night. But well and good. That is it. That is You Resort for You. And You Resort for You is just as amazing as you. It's a beautiful day. It's another morning to finish the job. Another day to finish the job. A toast for the day. A toast for JIPOS. And a good energy enough. Good enough to get this done.
In the land of milk and honey, there exists You Resort. We just here to finish this today, so that we head back to the city to also help other people get onboarded onto the same system and the same platform, which is JIPOS ELP. JIPOS. No, today no calamari. Today no seafood. Just trying to do final configurations. That is on the software, on JIPOS itself. And then we have some, let me say, is it beach walk or something?